Cancer. Your energy right now feels softer on the outside, but incredibly powerful underneath, like a tide that looks calm, but carries a current strong enough to move anything in its way. You've been processing more than people around you realize, and the next chapter of your life is asking for honesty with yourself before anything else. There's something you're outgrowing, something you're gripping emotionally, and something you're finally ready to release. And I'm Ira, stepping into your energy. The first energy that arrives for you is the owl spirit. This comes through when your intuition is louder than your emotions, even if you don't realize it. The owl is showing that you already sensed a truth before it surfaced. Maybe you sensed someone's behavior shifting, or you felt the energy of a situation thinning out before anything physically changed. In the first layer of this card, the message is that you're not imagining anything. Your instincts have been extremely accurate. In the second layer, the owl shows that someone's actions recently confirmed what your intuition was trying to warn you about. Something you brushed off as a fear or overthinking was actually your inner guidance trying to protect you from disappointment. The third layer reveals that you're being encouraged to trust subtle signs, the body reactions, the sudden heaviness, the unexpected clarity. Your intuition is guiding you toward a decision that feels uncomfortable but necessary. And in the final layer, the owl spirit shows that embracing the truth brings you a peace you didn't expect. The moment you accept what your inner voice has been whispering, the confusion dissolves and you regain emotional control. The next energy stepping forward is the deer spirit. This brings softness, emotional healing, and the type of strength that doesn't show through force but through vulnerability. The first layer of this card shows that you've been carrying someone else's emotional weight, trying to stay strong for people who don't understand how much strength that actually requires. In the second layer, the deer spirit highlights that your heart has been tired, not because you're weak, but because you've been pouring into connections that didn't pour back equally. You're realizing that kindness needs boundaries. The third layer reveals that someone in your life has misunderstood your silence. They assumed you were fine because you weren't complaining, but in reality, you were trying to keep peace. This card shows that your silence is ending. You're beginning to express what you truly need. And the final layer shows that emotional support is coming your way, perhaps from someone you didn't expect. Your vulnerability draws in the right people now, not the draining ones. The next card that appears for you is the horse spirit. This card is freedom, momentum, and movement where things once felt stuck. In the first layer, the message is clear. Something in your life is about to open up after weeks or months of feeling blocked. In the second layer, this card brings a message about reclaiming your independence. You're stepping out of a mindset where you kept waiting for permission, approval, or reassurance. You're deciding to move whether or not someone understands your path. The third layer of the horse shows you outgrowing fear, especially the fear of change. The anxiety that once held you back isn't as strong anymore. You're starting to trust your direction, even if the full path isn't visible yet. And in the final layer, the horse spirit brings movement that affects your daily life. Financial progress, productivity returning, or a plan finally taking shape after a long delay. Your fourth card is the sea turtle spirit. This energy is about divine timing and long-term blessings unfolding slowly but surely. In the first layer, the message is that you're building something that will last, not collapse under pressure. Even if it's taking time, the foundation is becoming solid. In the second layer, this card shows that you might feel frustrated with the pace of something. Healing, money, a relationship, or your own progress. But the turtle spirit says the slowness is actually your protection, not a punishment. The third layer reveals that a long-term goal you abandoned is coming back into your awareness. You're being nudged to pick it up again because now you're emotionally ready for it. And the final layer confirms that stability is forming in the background, and you'll see the results soon in a way that feels grounding and secure. Before we continue, Cancer, your personal 2026 Deep Forecast is available for $155, and it dives into love, money, destiny shifts, and the guidance your spirit team wants to highlight for the entire year. And if this reading is resonating with you, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Your fifth energy is the Panther Spirit. This enters when something must be confronted. In the first layer, the message is that you've been postponing a difficult truth. Not because you're avoiding reality, but because you weren't emotionally ready to face the consequences. In the second layer, this card shows that confronting this issue actually gives you relief, not stress. You've been imagining the worst, but the act of being honest breaks the tension. The third layer reveals that the Panther brings courage. The moment you take action, the fear dissolves. You realize you're stronger than the emotions you've been battling. And in the final layer, the Panther Spirit shows that once you face this situation, you reclaim control over an area of life where you felt powerless. The next card entering your reading is the Hummingbird Spirit. This energy brings emotional uplift, lightness, and renewed hope. In the first layer, the message is that joy returns in small ways, through unexpected messages, peaceful moments, or a shift in your emotional tone. In the second layer, the card shows that your heart is healing from something that drained you. You start waking up with more clarity and less heaviness. The third layer reveals that you're rediscovering things you love, hobbies, routines, or connections that bring genuine happiness. And in the final layer, the hummingbird shows that your energy becomes magnetic again, attracting opportunities that were previously blocked by emotional weight. Your seventh card is the Antelope Spirit. This brings fast movement, quick opportunities, and sudden progress. In the first layer, the message is that things begin to speed up, decisions, communication, or events unfolding rapidly. In the second layer, this card shows that you'll be asked to act quickly on something that feels aligned and surprisingly clear. The third layer reveals that your confidence returns stronger, helping you say yes to things you once hesitated on. And the final layer shows that momentum builds once you take the first step. Things that once felt difficult suddenly become easy. And before we move to the final card, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if this reading is supporting you. The last energy here is the White Buffalo Spirit. This is divine blessing, peace, and a breakthrough that feels both emotional and material. In the first layer, the message is that a long-standing worry begins to resolve in an unexpected way. In the second layer, this card shows that something you prayed for, hoped for, or silently wished for is making its way into your life. The third layer reveals that gratitude becomes part of your daily experience because you finally feel supported by life again. And the final layer of this card shows a sacred energy around you, protection, alignment, and a major shift that brings stability, comfort, and emotional strength. Your affirmation: I welcome clarity, support, and aligned movement. What is meant for me is already on its way.